ActronAir are a air conditioning manufacturing business. We've been in the industry for 40 years this year.
ActronAir started manufacturing air conditioners in my garage at Winston Hills. I mainly made the first units there for just friends, and they all went all right, and it was sort of a bit of a passion to make these things and how they worked.
Yeah, we manufacture mainly domestic and commercial air conditioning products. Some of the features that make our products unique, especially in a domestic range, is a vertical discharge unit. Our product's vertically discharging. That gives you all that capacity and efficiency, and on those really hot days you get the full capacity of your system when you need it the most.
We design for the heat, for the cool. We build our own controls, our own software, all of the design's done locally, so we have a lot of input from our customers. I think that's part of the reason they want to continue working with us.
It's just a continual improvement of whatever we're making, always doing small things to help and make them better and more efficient. But because we do it here, in-house, that's a major advantage.
Yeah, their job is to obviously strive for creating better efficiency, more sustainable products. Sustainability for us is just not making an energy efficient air conditioner, it's the whole process in our manufacturing. So we've got 500 kilowatts of solar panels on the roof, all our lightings, LEDs, smart lights, the recycling, very little landfill. We recycle all our metals, copper, aluminium, steel, pallets, cardboard, plastics. I think being Australian made certainly gives us an advantage, and that our products are really tailored for Australian homes and commercial applications. We have a product that's flexible in its design, flexible in its manufacturing, so we can cover a lot of the bespoke applications for commercial applications.
Service is a huge part of local manufacturing. Service technicians, customer care, they're all based here. Also the quality of our controls being locally manufactured gives us more ability to help customers to control their products and have that ease of use of the product as well. Our products are spec'd by installers, consultants, end users a lot of the time, and builders. So the reason they choose us because we're Australian made and owned. I think we offer a quality product and they want to continue coming back to us because we can offer them that same input.
We're absolutely proud to have the Australian made logo on our products. It's a unique opportunity. It makes me think of what we've been able to achieve through our history. We're still here, we're still going strong.
The Australian made logo symbolises to me our roots. This is where we do our business, where we always have, and where we want to continue to do it. To have the logo on there is, I guess, a source of pride for us to say that we're supporting Australian families and businesses is what excites me and keeps me coming to work.